Hello singles, today I'm your relationship coach, call me Miss Bitch. This video is about how to keep a woman like me. Same as before, this video is a Cantonese lesson that merges with my life experience so that you can learn unfiltered Cantonese and to apply it in actual situations. As an amazing woman, of course I have a lot of experience in love, hence why I got the name The Bitch. Wow, I am flattered. Some men are really resentful when they cannot keep a woman. This is why today's video is say I love you before it's too late. I'm sure you don't want to hear these words from your girl, but if you hear them, maybe it's the one last time they want you to change. Otherwise, they are going to find someone else. The first quality that Hong Kong women are looking for in a man is 上進心. 上進心. What it means literally is that a man is hardworking and has the potential to become successful. Listen, if your girl or someone you're interested in says something like 我鍾意男人呢有上進心, meaning they are looking for a man that can provide for her. She might not even care if you're funny or not, but you have to make sure that she doesn't have to struggle financially. Next, if you're already dating a Hong Kong woman and she says something on Valentine's Day, 你睇下人哋條仔. 你睇下人哋條仔. That means, look at her boyfriend. And you're thinking like, well, what's to look at? Is he handsome? Is she gonna leave me because he looks handsome? Oh my god, come on. She is saying that you do not give her enough gifts or something that is more valuable compared to others' boyfriends. Yes, women do that. They want to feel special, and they are afraid that they are not special enough for you to get her something nice, especially on Valentine's Day. Some women even get mad if their man takes them to a hot pot place to celebrate Valentine's Day. I don't know what kind of woman you're dating, but if she wants to celebrate this day with you, make sure to not let her down so that she won't compare you with another man. Honestly, I don't really care if my man take me to a hot pot place. I forgot my ring. Okay, so honestly, I don't care if my man take me to a hot pot place or whatever. I think what matters is that if he actually cares about me. And this is not something I only feel on a date. So I'm married to him and I see him every day. I don't need him to prove his love on this one day. But I do also hope there will be a surprise. If your girl says the next one, boy, do something. 我睇唔到將來咯. 我睇唔到將來咯. I can't see a future with you. Boy, what have you done? What haven't you done? Do it already. It's funny that I don't think I have heard this from a man. Not only from my personal experience, but if I go online and I see women complaining their relationships, they always say this. But for a man, I rarely hear that from them. I don't think it's because men don't care about their future, but it's because the society has set a limit for women. They're told if after 30 you're still single, you're gonna be single forever, nobody wants you, you are expired. In my opinion, age does not make you expire in the dating market, but people do certainly care about looks and wealth because that means security and comfortness. Personality, right? A lot of people forget that personality is what makes you you. People are longing for unconditional true love. I believe that exists only when two people are doing their best for each other. So if you want this undying love, keep watching. The next word I'm going to teach is 多謝. 多謝. That means thank you. A lot of time we forget to thank the person who is next to us, always supporting us. Whether it's making a hot chocolate for you, a breakfast for you, or give you a shoulder to cry on. Say thank you. To acknowledge that Yes, I see your effort and I really appreciate it. And if your girlfriend or your wife dresses up, don't forget to compliment them. 靚女,靚女. They're gonna feel so happy because you just called them a beautiful lady.
Nội nè.
Thank you.
Love you.
So this is today's episode. I hope you have a great Valentine's Day. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a like if you like this kind of content. And I will make more Cantonese lessons for you. Bye!